Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to talk about the moa bird, a giant flightless bird native to New Zealand. Moa birds were enormous, with heights ranging from 1.5 meters to 3.5 meters. They could weigh up to 230 kilograms, making them one of the largest birds in the world. Moa birds were entirely herbivores, meaning they only ate plants. Leaves, fruits, and small branches were their main sources of food. Despite being flightless, they could move easily through forests and grasslands thanks to their strong legs. About 600 years ago, the Maori people arrived in New Zealand and dramatically changed the moa's habitat. Humans hunted them for food and used them for cultural purposes. As a result, moa birds became extinct in a relatively short period. Additionally, some predators also posed a threat to their eggs. Today, scientists study moa fossils to understand how these birds lived, what they ate, and their role in the ecosystem. Moa birds played an important part in shaping forests and grasslands, and their extinction had significant effects on the natural balance. In conclusion, moa birds were not only remarkable for their giant size, but also for their crucial role in the ecosystem. Their extinction reminds us how fragile nature is and how powerful the impact of humans can be. If you enjoy documentaries and educational content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.